Hello, in this video we'll discuss about selection sort algorithm. We'll see how selection sorting algorithm works and how can we use this algorithm to sort any kind of given array. So let's start with an example. Here we have some elements to sort 5, 3, 2, 1, 8 and 9. We have to sort this array in ascending order using selection sorting algorithm. So while using selection sorting algorithm, let's say our first element is minimum. Let's store our first value in the variable minimum, and now we'll perform a linear search on all the elements to find out the minimum from this array, and after finding out the minimum value, then we'll shift that to its leftmost position. Okay, so let's say at start minimum variable containing the value 5, then we'll compare it with the next one. Okay, now let's say 3 is less than 5. Yes, so our minimum variable will store the value 3 now. Let's compare with next one. 2 is less than 3. Yes, so our minimum variable is containing the value 2. Okay, let's compare next with next value. 1 is less than 2. Yes, so now 1 will be assigned to minimum variable. Now let's compare with next one. 8 is less than 1. No, so it will not swap the values, it will be as it is. Now minimum will be compared with 9, and 9 is also not less than 1, so the values of 1 and 9 will not be swapped. So now our minimum variable is containing the value 1, and will shift this value to the leftmost position. Now our array will be like this: 1, 3, 2, 1 will be shifted with 5, 8 and 9. Okay, now our pass 1 completed. Now we'll start pass second, and in the pass second, let's say first element is sorted. We'll check for the next elements only. Let's say this is minimum. Let's assign 3 to the minimum. Now it will be compared with 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes, so now 2 will be assigned to minimum variable. Let's compare with next. 5 is less than 2. No, so the values will not be swapped. And now let's compare minimum with 8. So 8 is not less than 2. Values will not be swapped. And now minimum will be compared with 9. So 9 is also not less than 2. So in this linear search of pass second, we get the minimum value 2. So we'll shift this at the position, at its correct position. So 2, and okay, now this array is sorted in pass second. Now we'll do the pass 3. Let's say this is our minimum. Now we'll compare to its next, and 5 is not less than 3, so values will not be swapped. 8 is not less than 3. 9 is not less than 3, so minimum is 3 and is its correct position. Pass 3 is completed. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. We can see the next elements 5, 8 and 9 are already sorted, but we have to check because computer does not know these elements are sorted or not. That will check for all the elements. So pass 4, in the pass 4, in the next element, let's say minimum variable containing the value 5, will check with next, and will check with next. 5 is at its correct position, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 5 like this. And in the pass 4, pass 5, the 8, let's say minimum, and it will be compared with next. So values will not be swapped because 9 is not less than 8 and it will be its correct position. So array will be like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 2 and 9. So our selection sorting completed in pass 6 for this example. Okay, and 9 is already sorted because it is only one element. So this is the way how selection sort works. Just we have to select the minimum value from all the given elements and have to shift that to its leftmost position. In the second pass we will choose or traverse the second minimum value and will shift it to its correct position. Then in the third pass we'll traverse the third minimum value from the array and will shift it to its correct position. So in each and every pass we have to just select the minimum value and have to put that on its correct position. So this is the way how selection sort works. And if we talk about the complexity of selection sort, that is n square, because let's say we have n elements to sort in given array, then in each pass 1, pass 2, pass 3 up to pass n, in each and every pass selection sort will traverse all the n elements for all the passes. So the complexity will be n square in even best, average and worst case. Okay, so this is the way how selection sort works, and in the next videos we'll be talking about other sorting algorithms. If you like, share and subscribe. Thank you.